going to just take a flat blade screwdriver and come in under the clutch end cap and pick up. When I do, it's going to release from the clutch, and here's my sprocket wheel that the cord wraps around. And I'm going to focus on the end cap here for a couple of seconds. It is a universal end cap. It can go either on the right or the left side of the shading. You'll see that it has two features here, two circles, and if I look at my sprocket, I've got a little protrusion there, and when I assemble this, this protrusion is going to go into the center there and just give it a little bit more stability. And the way that this attaches to the head rail is it has two latches on the bottom and two latches at the top, and on the top they're just going to go into these features here, and on the bottom there's two features here and there. So when I look at my clutch itself, see if I can get focus here, you'll notice that a couple of things. One, this is not a universal clutch. If you can see there it says R, that means it's a right side clutch. So it's only going to go on the right side. I need a different clutch for the left side. And in where the clutch assembly is there, you can see a rectangular projection. That's going to match up with my sprocket wheel. I'm going to have to get those to line up in order for this to seat properly in the clutch. Once I have it in there, I can simply take my clutch or my cord and wrap it around, and I'm going to keep a little bit of downward pressure because it's only a little bit of friction and now some gravity, since I've got it tilted up, that's holding it into place. So I'm going to make sure that my cord is exiting the clutch properly. Then I'm going to bring up my end cap here, make sure I don't have my cords twisted as I attach this. So I'm going to make sure I got them right. Then I can simply put on the bottom latches, put on the top latches, and I've just replaced the cord in a Vignette tiered with EasyRise operating system.